Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the real story behind those fancy corporate filings and figure out what it all means for the companies you care about. Today we're diving into a filing from VisionWave Holdings Inc. And let me tell you, it looks like they're making some big moves in the world of Bitcoin mining. So what is the big news here? VisionWave, which you might know by its stock ticker VisionWave, has signed a pretty significant deal to boost its Bitcoin mining capabilities. Think of it like getting a supercharger for their mining operation. This isn't just a small upgrade. This is a substantial investment aimed at making their Bitcoin mining much more efficient and powerful. This deal is worth a whopping $10 million. It is an agreement called a Statement of Work or so to develop something called a custom QSpeed, mined Bitcoin mining acceleration and orchestration platform. Now that sounds like a mouthful, but basically it is advanced software and systems designed to speed up and manage their Bitcoin mining machines, or what they call nodes, really effectively. They're planning to use this for about 1,000 of their mining machines. The whole project is expected to take around 32 weeks, which is about 8 months. Now, the way they're paying for this is pretty smart. It is all tied to achieving specific goals, or what they call milestones. They put down some money up front, $350,000 to be exact, just to get things rolling. Then, about $1 million more will be paid once they hit the proof of concept stage, meaning they've shown it actually works. After that, a big chunk of $6 million is spread out over several steps as they get closer to having the whole system ready and working smoothly in their operations. And finally, the last $3 million will be paid when the entire project is completely finished and accepted. This milestone approach is great because it means VisionWave isn't just handing over a huge amount of money without seeing results. They pay for success. The company also makes it clear that all the work and technology developed under this agreement will belong to them. This is important because it means they own the intellectual property, making their QSpeed platform even more valuable. They are not locked into any ongoing purchase commitments with this vendor beyond what is agreed upon in these milestones. Now, a little detail about the company itself. VisionWave is classified as an emerging growth company. What does that mean? It means they file reports differently and have some flexibility in accounting standards compared to bigger, more established companies. They have also elected not to use the extended transition period for new or updated financial accounting rules, which suggests they aim to stay current with financial reporting. Looking at their stock, they have common stock traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker VWAVE. They also have redeemable warrants, which are like options to buy more stock at a certain price. Those trade under VWAVE. This filing is a Form 8K, which is a report of unscheduled material events or corporate changes. So this isn't their regular quarterly or annual report, but a notification of a significant event that just happened. In this case, the signing of this major development contract. As with most of these filings, there is a section on forward-looking statements. This is basically the company saying, hey, we're making predictions about the future, but things could change, and these aren't guarantees. They're talking about expected timelines, performance, and potential market expansion. They are also careful to mention that actual results could differ due to various risks, like challenges in executing the contract, technical issues, or changes in the market. This is basically the core of the filing. It confirms the company has entered into a significant contract. They're expecting this deal to generate revenue within the calendar year 2026. Of course, this is all dependent on them hitting those milestones we talked about. This is a big step for VisionWave Holdings Inc. They're investing heavily in technology to become a more significant player in the Bitcoin mining space. So, what is my take on all this? VisionWave is making a bold move here. Investing $10 million in custom software for Bitcoin mining is a significant commitment. It shows they are serious about optimizing their operations. The milestone-based payment structure is a strong point, indicating a focus on tangible results and risk management. The decision to develop proprietary technology means they are betting on themselves to gain a competitive edge. This could be a game changer if the platform delivers as expected, potentially leading to higher efficiency and lower operating costs per Bitcoin mined. However, the risks are real. The success of this project hinges on the vendor.